I'm Nick, I'm off the rails. We're here at Six Flags Over Georgia, and this is Twisted Cyclone. So here's where the double barrel roll is going to go eventually. They're working on the drop back there. So a couple of interesting things. There was a press conference earlier, sort of a construction tour, and they announced that there was going to be 300 more feet than what showed up on the animation. Now, the biggest complaint about the animation obviously was that it was much shorter than the original ride.
For our guests who have a membership or an annual season pass, please make sure you have processed your membership and/or annual season